Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Solutions. Is your portable air conditioner running, but the room still feels hot? Maybe the fan is blowing, but instead of cold air, you're getting warm or barely cool air. Before you assume your portable AC is broken or spend money calling a technician, there are a few simple things you should check first. In many cases, poor cooling isn't caused by a major mechanical failure. Instead, it's often due to a dirty filter, poor airflow, or an incorrectly installed exhaust hose. Problems that most homeowners can fix themselves in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll show you the first 2 easy fixes that can restore your portable air conditioner's cooling performance. These are the most common issues technicians find during service calls, and they're also the easiest to fix. Be sure to watch until the end because in part 2, we'll cover 3 more hidden problems that many people overlook. Now, let's get started. How does a portable air conditioner work? Before we start fixing the problem, it's helpful to understand how a portable air conditioner actually works. A portable AC removes heat from the air inside your room. It pulls warm air into the unit, passes it over cold evaporator coils, and then blows the cooled air back into the room. At the same time, the heat removed from the room is pushed outside through the exhaust hose connected to a window kit. During this cooling process, moisture from the air is also collected inside the unit. Depending on the model, this water either evaporates through the exhaust hose or collects in an internal water tank that may need to be emptied if the air filter is clogged or the exhaust hose isn't working properly. The entire cooling process becomes much less efficient. That's why these are the first things you should check. Safety tips before you begin. Before performing any maintenance, always turn the portable air conditioner off and unplug it from the electrical outlet. This protects you from electrical shock and prevents accidental damage while cleaning or inspecting the unit. If the AC has been running for a long time, allow it to cool down for a few minutes before opening any panels. Also, never use sharp objects to clean internal components, and avoid spraying water directly into the electrical section of the unit. A few minutes of safety preparation can prevent expensive repairs later. Now, let's move on to the first fix. 1. Clean or replace the air filter. The number one reason a portable air conditioner loses cooling performance is a dirty air filter. As your AC runs, the filter traps dust, pet hair, lint, and other airborne particles. Over time, these particles build up and restrict airflow. When airflow is blocked, the evaporator coil can't absorb heat efficiently, and the unit struggles to cool the room. You may notice weaker airflow, longer cooling times, higher electricity bills, or even ice forming inside the unit. Fortunately, this is one of the easiest problems to fix. Locate the air filter, which is usually found behind the rear intake grill. Remove the filter carefully. If it's reusable, clean it using a vacuum cleaner or rinse it gently with warm water. Allow the filter to dry completely before reinstalling it. Never reinstall a wet filter because moisture can lead to mold growth inside the unit. If the filter is torn, damaged, or heavily clogged, replace it with a new one recommended by the manufacturer. For best performance, clean the filter every 2 to 4 weeks during the cooling season. A clean filter improves airflow, increases cooling efficiency, reduces power consumption, and extends the life of your portable air conditioner. 2. Check the exhaust hose. The next thing to inspect is the exhaust hose. This hose is one of the most important parts of a portable air conditioner because it carries the hot air from the unit to the outside. If the hose becomes disconnected, crushed, kinked, or too long, the hot air can't escape properly. Instead of leaving the room, the hot air stays inside, making the portable AC work much harder while providing very little cooling. First, check that the hose is securely attached to both the air conditioner and the window kit. Look for bends, sharp turns, or crushed sections that could restrict airflow. If possible, keep the hose as short and as straight as possible. Also inspect the window kit. Make sure there are no large gaps around the window where hot outdoor air can enter the room. Even small air leaks can reduce cooling performance, especially on very hot days. Another common mistake is placing the portable air conditioner too close to a wall. Leave at least 12 to 20 inches, or 30 to 50 centimeters, of space around the back and sides of the unit to allow proper airflow. Once you've checked the hose and window installation, run the air conditioner again for several minutes. and see if the cooling improves. So today we've covered the first 2 simple fixes that solve many portable air conditioner cooling problems. Clean or replace the air filter. Check the exhaust hose for blockages, leaks, or poor installation. These 2 steps alone can often restore your AC's cooling performance without spending any money. But if your portable air conditioner is still not cooling properly, don't worry. In part 2, we'll cover 3 more important fixes, including how to check the water tank, why room size and air leaks affect cooling, and how to inspect the condenser coils and compressor for hidden problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another DIY home appliance repair guide from Easy Solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.